In Season 3, we have been on a deep dive into ways semiosis can be applied into design or illustration work. The episodes this season have also led you all to a surprising revelation that you have always been semiotic encoders. The season began to turn toward the finish line with 3 episodes on what Peirce's 10 sign classifications are, why they are important, and more importantly, what they mean to creatives. In episode 315, we revisited what I had already begun to explain back in season 1. I started to use more and more designer-centric analog terms for Peirce's obtuse originals, building on what we had established toward a fresh way of understanding Peirce's theory. This allowed me to begin discussing in episode 316 a new concept with you all about the delivery of the semiotic meaning. I used the term sign vehicle specifically for this, so you can picture different modes that semiotic meaning can be delivered by. By episode 317, we were then ready to frame 10 ways to semiotically encode meaning within your visual language. This explanation was beam powered without any smelly guffs. So before we sprint to the end of this review, these 3 episodes are collected in Omnibus 3.5, the 10, yes 10, semiotic science. In season 4, we will play a game of 20 questions. Each episode will answer a specific question on applying semiotics. This is about gaining knowledge to develop your own semiotic frame of mind. Applying semiosis in your ideation stages of sketching first needs a lateral step in understanding that semiotics is natural. These 20 season 4 questions will be grouped into 6 sub-themes, which will help you step your way forward a new semiotic frame of mind. Now that we have looked at the mindsets of both creatives and audiences, I will be ready to mix metaphors and pun my way through another 4 episodes around the sub-theme of a semiotic Trojan horse. We will saddle up, and ride this theme, across the range, of possible ways to hide meaning-bearing semiotic signs in plain sight to enhance visual communication. 414, how can we second guess audience understanding? Visual communication semiotically hitching a ride to facilitate meaning. 415, how may we communicate complex messages simply? Semiotically clarifying complexity through effective sign action. 416, how can the audience help our messaging? The audience already knows stuff, so we have a semiotic shorthand. 417, how will engaging our audience's intuition help there? Well, that looks like this enigma. This season's theme was encoding semiotic science. Therefore, I applied last season's Semiotic Rosetta Stone metaphor theme into applying Peirce within visual communication. Season 3 also became the first season that could be watched months ahead of YouTube by becoming a Semiosis 101 producer with a Patreon membership. That means by the time you are watching this episode of YouTube, Patreon producers are already watching season 4 episodes or even season 5.